Okay, here we go, Amanda. So I am clicking on Chrome right here. And that's what I get. So then I'm going to click on my DMAC. Let me make this bigger here. So I'm going to enter in my new username and my password. That should be good. Okay, I don't know. I'm in Screencast-O-Matic here. Sorry. So I made it smaller, but it might be as big as it gets. So I'm going to try to place it strategically. So I'm going to go into Blackboard and see, there it goes. And then it does that. And then I can go into courses. And the other night it lingered there for a long time. I might have a screenshot of that. And then up here, before I went to courses, it just said something about Collaborate Ultra, whatever. So anyway, that's what it looks like on my end.